Hello dear students, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about the chapter number 7 from class 10th, and this chapter relates from geography. So this chapter, its topic is lifeline of national economy. So national economy ke jo we can say the lifelines are there, we are going to discuss about that. This chapter is really important in aspect of the map questions, 1 mark questions, 2 mark, 3 mark, and then even 5 mark questions also can related from this chapter. So now we are going to understand that what we are going to learn. So we are going to actually discuss in this chapter about two things. Firstly, as you can see here, introduction. It means in introduction I have told you here that we are going to discuss about two things. Importantly, two things we are going to discuss. The first one is our transportation and second one is communication. Without these two very valuable assets, we cannot actually imagine any country's economic growth. So these two are really important, and we are going to discuss in this chapter that how these both communication and transportation plays a really important part in national economy, and how national economy can be stopped if these two sources, or we can say these two components, are not there. So as you can see, let's start. As you can see, the mode of transportation and communication. Like for transportation, we all know railways, airways, waterways, or newspaper, television, cinema, internet. These all things are there for communication. The communication, and these are the we can say modes of transportation. These both things are really important for the country's economy. So just we are going to discuss here about the transportation system of our country. So first of all, as we can see here, we are going to talk about means of transportation. In means of transportation, we can divide the means of transportation in three types or three parts. So as you can see here, first one is land, second one is here, that is called water, and third one is the airways. So from these three ways actually we can travel, or we can transport the things from one place to other place. As you can see here, we are having the land. On land, because we are living in this country and all, we all know these things. Like we all know, if you want to travel somewhere, so our first preference is there, that is roadways. From our house to, from our home to our school we are coming, so obviously we are coming by the roadways. But if you want to go a little bit far, then we always prefer railways. And then pipelines are also important. Laterally we will discuss about this in our this chapter. So then we all know waterways are also important. How waterways is important? For just this, I just want to tell you कि whatever business, whatever the import export activities happens in the country or outside of the country, so of it's like around 95% of it, 95% of it is done by only waterways. So waterways can be also divided into two parts. One waterways can be that is can be overseas means like with other countries, and second one is called like inland waterways. So then inland waterways means on the rivers actually, whatever the transportation we do by our rivers, that is called inland waterways. So very deeply we will discuss about this chapter, and we'll try to remove all the doubts which you are having. Here as we can see, the airways, we all know that by the aeroplanes we also travel from one place to other place. So we have divided this into two parts, that is domestic and international. If inside the country you are traveling, like Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Kolkata, or Kolkata to any other city, if you are traveling, so we have to travel by the domestic airlines. or domestic flights. At the same time, if you are traveling to the other countries, so it means we have to take international flights. So, and then here we have divided this into two parts, that is public airlines and private airlines. So most of the airlines are there, private airlines in India. Recently our government has sold actually Air India, and it was taken overtaken by the Tata groups. So that is why we can say now no public airways is there, but private parties are there, private companies are there. So first of all we are going to, I hope it is clear to you, means of transportation. Now we are going to learn about the roadways, how many kind of roads actually we are having in our country. So as you can see, it is written here, we are having around six type of different kind of roads in our country, that is known, like firstly I'll tell you the name and then we'll discuss one by one. And like we can say here, very important, the first one, Golden Quadrilateral, and it links our four mega cities, or we can say metro cities, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Then we'll discuss about this, and then second one, we know that national highways, in short we call that NH. So I hope you have traveled from any NH also. So the third one, the state highways. State highways are called which link capitals with the district headquarters. Like right now we are sitting here in Tamil Nadu, so whatever the road is connecting to us, what district roads actually, whatever the districts are connected to the state capital, those are called state highways. Then the district roads, connect these kind of roads connect district headquarters with other places of districts. Other roads like rural roads in the village, whatever the road we see nearby your house, in front of your house, that is called other roads. One very important roads are there, that is called border roads. Border roads, by the word you can understand, I hope, that this is roads which are built on borders, and we all know border are very important places in our country, because our country have the boundary with like Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, these kind of countries we are having the boundaries. Even Nepal and Bhutan we are also having. So who makes the road near to the borders? So that is called Border Road Organization. In short it is called BRO. So we will discuss about this also. So I hope it is clear, like 6 parts of road we have discussed here, and now one by one we are going to discuss about this. As you can see here, Golden Quadrilateral, we have taken it on the first point, it is Golden Quadrilateral. So what is Golden Quadrilateral actually? So it is a 6-lane super highway link Delhi and Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi. So our mega cities are connected by these lanes. When we will discuss about the map classes, we will discuss about this. Now one more super highway we are having, that is called North-South Corridor. North-South Corridor. So it is connecting to Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and one more we are having, that is called East-West Corridor, which is connecting to in east. It is connecting from Silchar, that is in Assam, from Silchar to Porbandar in west. Porbandar we all know it is situated in Gujarat. So it is connecting to these places. Now what is the major object? What is the objective? What is the major aim? So major aim is to reduce the time and distance, because these are the big cities and all, like so then if it will take too much time, or it will become very hard to go from one place to other place, so how country can develop? So what is the main objective of behind making these 6-lane super highways from connecting to these places? So it is reduce the time and distance. National Highway Authority of India have made this, and they maintain this, and whatever the new highways plus whatever the new super highways will be formed or will be built, so it will be done by under National Highway Authority of India. Second one is here, as you can see, the national highways everywhere we found nowadays, because India is growing a lot, so that's why right now we are having national highways here and there. So it links actually extreme parts of India. Like we all know that like if you want to go to any city like Delhi to Jaipur, you want to go, so again this national highway is connecting to that. If you want to go Delhi to Ajmer, so again you have you have national highways. So like this it is connected. Then primary road system, obviously it means like it connect the main places maintained by the Central Public Work Department, and plus now it is undertaken by also the National Highway Authority of India. So run north to south, east to west, everywhere we found now our highways, and our highway number from 1 to like now we are having highway number 87, like these kind of, this much we have built the roads. So now this is important one, that is Sher Shah Suri Marg, that is now it is known as GT Road. Okay, GT Road, Grand Trunk Road. So in the old time it was made by the Delhi Badshah or Sultan by Sher Shah Suri in around 1540 to 45, between that time. But it was actually connecting to Kolkata, today's Kolkata, to today's Peshawar. Peshawar is in Pakistan, so this road actually goes to there. But this highway number 1, actually now we have divided it into two parts, highway number 1, highway number 2. So highway number 1 actually connects from Kolkata, from Delhi to Amritsar, Amritsar to Delhi, and number 2 connects Delhi to Kolkata. So now we'll come to state highways. I hope it is clear to you. State highways, it link district headquarters, like if you are living in any district, like if in Tamil Nadu you are living in Madurai, so this is district headquarter, so all of the small places, like all the talukas or blocks, it is connected to Madurai by state highways, like this we can say. And okay, so construction and maintenance, it is done by the PWD, that is state PWD. Now we'll talk about district roads. District roads, we all know that, like district to which roads connect to the districts, especially blocks or villages, where villages are connected to the district. And construction and maintenance, it is done by Jila Parishad, district जो council होती है उसके जरिए. The next one is other roads. Other road, it means like whatever the road is there in your village, in front of your house, these all kind of roads will be considered in other roads. The category includes rural roads. This category includes rural roads link village with the town under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. It means PMGSY. Every village is to be linked to towns. It means every village, so in the starting time it was that like those villages which are having 1,000 population, so that those villages must be connected. Then it reduced to 500, then it reduced to 250. So now almost villages are connected to the roads, all weather road. It means that pakka wala road, Now the last one today we are going to discuss, and that is border roads. So as you can see here, border roads, as I already told you, these roads are made in border areas where the very we can say sensitive areas. So making the road in this kind of area, it is really tough job. So construction, it is done by BRO, that is called Border Road Organization of India. It was established in 1960. Before 1960, there was no that kind of specially no organization was there to build the road only for borders. Strategically very important, because northern part, it means with China, with Pakistan, northeastern border areas, very complicated places. So in these kind of area, border road organization does very fantastic work there, and that improve accessibility in these areas. It is important for those people also, those who are living there, those who are the natives of that place. It is important for them also. It is important for the army. It is important for the other people who want to send the supplies to their place, so it is important. Help in economic development, obviously when road will be there, when road will come to your area, so obviously your economic development will be there. Okay, so I hope that now you can understand the types of road. In the next part of this chapter, we will study about the different type of other communication and transportation system. We will understand in the next part about railways and then pipelines. After that, we will go to the waterways and airways also. So thanks for watching, and if you like it, so just subscribe this channel for being connected to my videos and get more and more knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.